Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this look, so if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below and click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Yeah, so to start off, I'll be using the Davis number 3 brow pencil to outline my brows. Yes, this is my new favorite brow pencil. So I'll be explaining till from this part to the side I finish doing my eyeshadow. So after that, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Yes, because it's self-explanatory, but the eyeshadow part is a little bit complicated. So don't click out. I'll explain everything in detail. Yes, so I'm using my brow pencil to brush my pencil into place, if that makes sense. Yeah. To clean my brow, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Espresso. The Fawn to clean the down part of my brow, and the Espresso to clean the upper part of my brow. Yeah, so I'm using the AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Coltan as my eyeshadow base. Yeah, I'm using Coltan because it's lighter than the Fawn I used earlier on. Yes, and I want my eyeshadow to pop. That's why I'm using the the Coltan. I think I have echo in my room, but no problem. Let's manage it like that. My eyeshadow for today is the Juviasplace chocolate, and the other one I've forgotten the name, but both palettes are from Juviasplace. The violet here is the chocolate and the violet. I'm using both shades together. So I'm packing this in my crease as I'm doing, and I'm just adding the other shade to it to kind of intensify the color. So my next shade will be this, and I'll be packing it at the edge of the first and second shade. The edge like this. Yeah, so I don't want it to spread to the upper part of my crease. So this is where exactly I want it. So just packing it on and on. So I'm using this shade to kind of diffuse the edge. Blend the edge to make it seamlessly. To make it blendable. Just don't mind me. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Yes. You see how the blending is going on? That's exactly what we are going for. So now I'm trying to clean my lid. We are going for a Catrice. So I use my, yes, with the help of makeup remover wipes, if that makes sense, to kind of clean my lid so that I'll get a clean canvas to apply, to cut my crease as well as apply my lid shade. Yes, so I'm using the Elegel Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to cut my crease. Yes, as you guys know, I have hooded eyes, so cutting my crease is a little bit of a struggle. It's a little bit of a struggle for me, but we move. Yes, so this is exactly where I'm cutting my crease. This is exactly where I'm cutting my crease. Since I have echo in my room, it's kind of difficult for me to film, but I'm going back with this shade to kind of blend the edge where my cut crease ends. Yes, that's why in my other video I didn't even talk through. I just went ahead and uploaded it with a song. So I wanted to put this shade at the inner corners of my eye, but later on changed my mind. So let's just keep on watching. And this is the shade I wanted to use in the middle part of my eye like this, but later on I changed my mind, so I mixed both shade. I mixed both shade like this. So I ended up getting something like a pinkish color. And what I did was later on I decided to add glitter to it. So I added a glitter off camera. That's it for the eye. So now I'll be priming my face with the Pond's primer. Then later on went back to apply my liner. I wanted the primer to get tacky, so I applied the primer first before finishing the eye look. And this is the eyeliner I use, Iman of Noble, Iman or Iman, whatever. So guys, I will let you guys enjoy the rest of the video here. The rest of the video is self-explanatory. My female setup is still in a mess, but I'm trying to get back into, trying to set things out to get to know, my angles well. So you guys should forgive me if the video quality is down. I'm still trying and struggling to get things done correctly, but for the meantime you guys should just manage the quality as it is now. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Subscribe. So I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video.